Welcome to the Fixit channel, and this is a quick update for the Patch Tuesday updates that we have today. Of course, these are security updates available for Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10 computers. We are the second Tuesday of the month of March, and this, of course, is where security is prevailing. So, what's happening in the security updates today? First of all, there's a mitigation fix, if you want. What happens is that there's in here a fix to kind of make it harder to exploit, the Spectre and Meltdown flaws within your Windows operating system, and that's for Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. So check it out because it does kind of lower the risk of having bad guys doing anything with that. Also to note is that Microsoft has updated its microcode, Intel microcode fix, but that one's a manual download, and I'll have a video tomorrow, March 14th, about it for those that want to try it out. Basically to fix the Intel Spectre bug. Okay, what's in here? First of all, the most important fix for Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10 in the security updates today, Flash Player Critical Security Update. It's already exploited by bad guys. That means you don't fix that. If you go on a website that they actually have bad code in Flash, you're going to be your PC can be taken control of. They can inject malware and do whatever they want. So that's a very important one to actually fix today. And we have had those almost every month. Now, for Windows, the fixes to security are affecting Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge in Windows 10, Microsoft Scripting Engine, Microsoft Graphics Component, the Windows kernel, the Windows Shell, Windows MSXML, Windows Installer, Device Guard, and Windows Hyper-V. That's very important. It also has a certain number of bug fixes, and for all versions of Windows, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 all have a certain number of bug fixes thanks to this update. So at the same time, if you have some issues, some little things that happens, well, maybe you'll have a better working Windows version, as there are some bug fixes in here. If you're on Windows 10, you see here the Windows version is pushed on Fall Careers Update to the build 16299.309. So that's the latest version you should be at on Windows 10 Fall Careers Update. And of course, you should apply all of these fixes today. There's really a lot of security in there that's fixed mostly, and it's very important. And don't listen to people say don't install these updates. It's very important if you don't want to have something bad happen with your computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.